Metal detectors are devices designed to find metal buried under dirt, sand, grass, and even in bodies of water. Metal detectors work by creating a magnetic field around the electrical search coil, which spread out to an average depth of about 10 inches. If conductive material is within the detector's range, the electromagnetic signature of the material disrupts the magnetic field. The detector's visual and audio alerts you to know you have found something. Metal detecting is a great hobby for individuals or for families with children. Some dedicated and skilled practitioners even pursue it as a professional career. The best metal detector for you will depend on how and where you want to use it, and whether you want a simple, straightforward model or one with lots of bells and whistles. We have listed the top 5 metal detectors and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. FISHER F22. Like with any hobby, chances are you might not want to spend a fortune on something that you have never tried. This metal detector comes in under $230 and is equipped with everything you need to get treasure hunting. This Fisher features a weatherproof exterior and weighs only 2.3 pounds, so it's durable and lightweight. It has 10 frequency levels that can detect up to 9 inches underground, along with preset search settings such as jewelry, artifact, and coin, and that can come in handy when first learning how to use your detector. However, it doesn't have the ability to detect gold. When it comes to use, the end can be submerged in water, but the control box is not waterproof, so be sure to keep it dry. It also has a pinpoint mode, though it's not quite as accurate as an actual pinpointer. If you still aren't sold, consider the 5-year warranty that guarantees you plenty of time with your new tool. Number 4. Bounty Hunter Gold Digger. If you are more budget-minded and are still looking for an excellent metal detector, the Bounty Hunter Gold Digger is a good option. Bounty Hunter is a quality product that dominates the markets of metal detectors. In our general detection test, the Gold Digger missed only one item. Likewise, in the in-depth test and the underwater test, this detector failed to locate only one item per test. This Gold Digger is therefore very reliable when it comes to locating treasures, both above ground as well as underground and underwater. Like the top detectors, the Gold Digger's calibration feature is automatic and self-adjusts as needed. Also, this detector comes with a pair of headphones that can be plugged into the jacket, but you must know that they are on the small side and the quality is not great. Number 3. Minelab Equinox 800. This detector is an investment for hardcore treasure hunter. It has 4 search modes, each of which can save 2 custom search profiles, allowing the machine to immediately recognize your individual search preferences for things like sensitivity, target depth, and volume. It's totally waterproof, making it a great choice for the beach or underwater excursions. And the Equinox can detect many types of metal, including gold nuggets. It can detect deeper and has more options than the Garrett ACE and the Minelab Equinox. It uses Minelab's multi-frequency technology for sensitive detection and lets you choose from 4 detecting modes. It has a battery life of up to 12 hours, is waterproof up to 10 feet, and, depending on which package you buy, can also come with wireless headphones and a pinpointer to help you find your target close up and through mud. Number 2. SUNPOW Professional Metal Detector. With this VLF metal detector, you can head down to the beach or the river and get a little wet because it is waterproof to a depth of 4.5 feet. The SUNPOW Professional Metal Detector weighs only 6.84 pounds as had an adjustable stem. Though it's a little heavy, being able to adjust it to correct length is a plus. The SUNPOW comes with a carrying bag and a metal shovel, which will help you dig up treasures. The metal detector has a maximum search depth of 8.7 inches and it has 3 operating modes, including All Metal, Notch, and Discrimination mode. All mode will detect all metals in the area including iron, aluminum, gold, bronze, and silver without filtering at all. Notch mode allows the users to ignore undesirable metals so you can focus on your intended targets. Discrimination mode lets you choose the type of metal object you want the detector to detect and ignore all other metals. This metal detector also has a manual ground balance adjustment function, so you can decide what is included in your search and what is not. Number 1. Garrett ACE 300 Metal Detector with Waterproof Coil. The Garrett ACE 300 metal detector has a maximum search depth of 8 inches and has a frequency adjustment dial that makes it easy to clear up static and other signal interference. The VLF metal detector has adjustable discrimination sensitivity, giving the user a high degree of control over the type of metal he or she detects. The Garrett ACE metal detector is lightweight at 2.8 pounds and has padded, ergonomic grip to reduce hand and arm fatigue. It is packaged with a set of headphones that can be used in loud environments, like crowded beaches. The detector's pinpointing mode gives off increasingly strong signals as you get closer to the object you have detected, and its target depth indicator gives you the estimated depth of the object. Buying guide. There are several aspects one should consider when choosing a metal detector. The very first aspect is price, of course. Most newbies believe the more expensive the better. However, this is not straightforward like that. Of course, more expensive professional metal detectors offer more possibilities, but the truth is, one needs relevant experience and skills to tune all countless settings. Better take a more affordable option that is noob-friendly. The next aspect is technical specifications and features. Choose the specs and features that correspond to your level of skill. There are different types of metal detectors. Plus, one must think of potential locations and potential targets. You have to sit down and think about what locations will be available for you. This defines whether you need a waterproof tool, you need headphones, or you need a bigger coil or lower frequency. Next, what kinds of targets are you after? Knowing your targets, you are able to opt for very specific features, and the tool you will buy will really meet your need. All this consideration mean you have to know more about the search types. Combined together, the main aspect to pay attention to are frequency, search coils, ground balance, search modes, discrimination, and eventually the user's experience and skills. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.